this is like the first times I've been doing a 3D printing class.
It's really fun. They break the subject you're learning down and to make sure you understand it.
Here at Movie Nerds, I've been doing 3D printing, and also I've been making box tops, boxes. I've been making a lot of stuff.
My goal here is to help the kids to understand the first steps, how to form their clay, how to use their drawing to start sculpting.
He wanted us to learn how to model and then scan.
It takes many photos of it.
I think it starts out off a foundation of learning how to work with their hands and how to be able to turn a lump of clay into actually a sculpture. And then what we do is we scan it with the 3D scanner, the front view, and then the side view, and then the top view. And they need to learn how to see contours. We take it from the scan and we do a slice. And from the slice, then we send it to the 3D printer.
So it makes a mesh so we can take it to the computer. When you take it to the computer, and then if you go to a website, you can edit it and all that.
Tinkercad is an app that you make art out of.
So these skills will translate to a career pathway to do drawing in the computer. So ultimately they could become engineers, they could become drafters, a prop maker, or things like that are all careers that the kids could actually do if they learn these skills.
I love 3D printing because it shows your creativity during, computing, and it also helps you with a lot of jobs. 3D printing can revolutionize our lives, create stuff that maybe we cannot create ourselves.
It's fun, and you could learn from it. So you could be a very good sculptor and stuff.
I made a dude with a bandana, and I'm now making Bart Simpson.
So I'm actually working on Pikachu from Pokemon.
I've made a bear skull, a crocodile, a heron.
I made a biplane, poked 2 holes in it, put a wing on it, and then I made 2 little squares for the upper wing. But to put the upper wing on was very complicated.
I love learning, and I love being able to use the tools and the computers and the software, because it helps me in my art, and it allows me to use my brain in a bunch of different ways, tools that I never had before. I wish I would have been able to know this stuff when I was a kid.
I like the 3D printer because then you can just print something that you can imagine.
I just like how your imagination is your limit. So I like how you can make anything that you want as long as you can put the thought of it into it.
I will definitely take this class again.
I haven't done anything like this, so this is a brand new experience for me.
I love it. I like to hang out, talk with the kids, make stuff, create. That's my joy.